Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are very fine at your home. So today we are going to cover the topic calendar. So children, in your book, page number 180, they have just given you about the calendar. So children, this calendar you might have seen in your phone also. Okay, nowadays we don't use the hard copy of the calendar in our homes. So you might be searching for any function or any of your birthdays in this type of calendars in the phone also. So let us see. Here in the book they have given you the calendar of a 2020 year. It shows days and dates for each month. So we will underline this. What is the function of the calendar? It shows days and dates for each month. Okay. A calendar is an instrument, we can say, which shows us days, dates and months. Now we have, can you name 7 days of the week? This is very common thing for you, but still we will do this. There are 7 days in a week. We have to underline this also. They may ask you in the fill up. So there are 7 days. Those 7 days are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Now you already know that there are 12 months in a year. Can you name them? Yes, of course you can. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are the months. Now observe the calendar. Do all the months have same number of days? No. Some have 30 days, some have 31 days. Which are the months having 30 days? The months having 30 days are April, June, September and November. Which are the months having 31 days? The months having 31 days are January, March, May, July, August, October and December. Which month has 28 days? February. What is the total number of days in a year? 2017. They have given you particular case of the year 365. Actually, we can say that in a general year we have 365 days. Now compare this calendar with the calendar for the year 2016. Do you notice any difference between two calendars? The month of February has 28 days in the year 2017, but it has 29 days in the year 2016. To remember the number of days in different months, you may learn the rhyme given below or use your knuckles. This I will tell you later. Now we have the rhyme. 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 excepting February alone. See children, next topic is knuckles only. See, we have the picture here. See, when we will close the hand, we get a fist. Okay, fist means this one. Okay, when we close our hand. Can you find my bones on my fist? Yes, these are called the knuckles. Okay, now in the figure you see. Here, the months which come on the knuckles will be having 31 days and the lower portions will be having 30 days except the month of February. It can have 28 days and 29 days when it is the month of leap year. Okay, whenever it is a leap year month, leap year. Now children, this leap year I will tell you how to find out that whether the particular month year is leap or not. Now first of all, let us see the months having 31 days. January, March and December, May and October, July and August. And the months which come in the lower portion are June, September, April and November. Okay. Now let us read. Close your hand into fist. Count for knuckles. You will see that all the months with 31 days are counted on knuckles. The rest come in between the knuckles. See the figure on the right. Figure already I have explained. How many days are there in 2016? 366. So a year has 365 or 366 days. The earth revolves around the sun once in a year, which ordinarily consists of 365 days. A year which has 366 days is called a leap year. Now how can we check that whether a particular year is leap year or not? We can divide that year with 4 and if there is no remainder, then it will be a leap year. A year which is divisible by 4 is a leap year. Thus, 1784, 1988, 1976 are the examples of leap year. But The years ending with 00 like 2100, 2000, 1800 will be leap years as they are divisible by 4. Now underline this. A year has 52 weeks. 10 years make a decade, whereas 100 years make a century. This you have to learn. Now we have the exercise 10.8 on the notebook. First question is, how many months in a year have 31 days? Name them. 7 months have 31 days. January, March, May, July, August, October, December. Children, you have to write the first letter of each month capital, like January J capital, March M capital, May M capital. Okay. Question number 2. How many months in a year have 30 days? Name them. 4 months have 30 days. April, June, September, November. Okay. Now question number 3. How many months in a year have less than 30 days? Name them. Only February has less than 30 days. Question number 4. Which of the following are leap years? See children, how we can check that? We have to divide it by 4. Like 1976 it is given. We have to divide it by 4. See, 4 4s are 16 minus, when we'll subtract it, it will get 3, and then 7 will come down. 4 9s are 36. 7 minus 6 1, and 6 will come down 16. 4 4s are 16. Remainder is 0. It means it is a leap year. B part is 1947. Here also when we will divide, we will get the remainder as 3. So it is not a leap year. C part 1952. D part 2021. And E part 2000. Homework. Okay. Do all these parts. Bye bye.